Alright, so I gotta make a quick little video here in the morning. Let me show you this page. This is the coin market cap site. It's showing that Veritaseum is, minus 100%. Basically, it's worth nothing. 0.000341. Oh my gosh, what's happening? How much of Ethereum is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Here's the chart. Oh my gosh, what's happening? Well, that's funny because if I go over here, that's ETH, Veri to ETH. Let's go to Ethereum to Veri, or Veritaseum. And there's orders right here live, right now, happening right now, right this second. This is, in the 7 to 1. There's some here for 6 to 1, 5 to 1, 4 point something, whatever, 4 to 1. That's quite a few in the 4s. And then, of course, there's 3s and 2s. Now, essentially, these are orders like 3 to 1. And, let me see what the heck, where we are with Ethereum at this moment. 33, okay? Right here. $333 is what Ethereum is at right now. Of course, take a look at Dash. So Dash is up 22% today. Interesting. Monero, is that Monero? No, it's not. NEM. That's Monero, up 6%. So anyways, I want to show you that because for whatever reason, I told you last night, which is this morning's video, there's some kind of disconnect between this coin market cap site. It was showing, Ethereum selling for $3. Now it's basically $0. Yet the orders, which if you're at the Ether Delta site, notice the end of this. It's got the pound sign, hashtag, whatever. It's all capital, Veri-ETH. Well, if you go and do that backwards, where it's ETH-Veri, right, this will give you a better view of, because it does matter. See how these are switched? Veri and ETH, ETH and Veri. Excuse me. But anyways, this gives you an idea of what's happening here. So, in this case, the cheapest you can get Veritaseum right now, Veritaseum, is 7.6 to 1 ratio. And at $333, let's go to calculator, $333. We're going to pull this over so you can see it. Divided by 7.69 is $43. So Veritaseum is selling for $43 at the absolute bare minimum. The very next order, 333 divided by 7.5 is going for 44, right? And then on down, 7.5, 7.4, 7.4, 7.2, 6, bunch of 6s, and then of course we got 5. These are all ordered, but at the same time, look at the amount of Veritaseum. There's not a whole lot being sold here. So even at 7, there's only 20. Now this one's a decent size. That's at 7.5, 129. That's not bad. 10, another 111, not bad. But then there's 5, 6, 1. Again, we got 150 in the 6s now in the 6 ratio. But then look at this: 1 single Veritaseum, 10, 0.1, 1, 1, 0.098. 21, 21, right? So these are very, very tiny orders, small amounts. So I don't know what the heck is going on with the disconnect between this site, CoinMarketCap, and the Veritaseum exchange, which in this case it's only Ether Delta. Maybe that's part of the issue, but it's tracked it for a good while so far. We'll go back to 7 days and see what this thing shows. If there is even June 8th. It only looks like it's up from June 8th. 1 month. It's not even moving. Not even moving. Still June 8th. So this basically looks like it's been up for a couple days. When I hit 7 days, it opens it back up again. Well, hold on, there's June 11th. 10, 9, 8. So there we go. So there's 8, 9, 10, 11. You have 3 days of activity, but for some reason, it's fallen off a cliff here and there's like nothing happening. I think there's just some kind of disconnect. I mean, clearly, because while this site is reporting it, this right here Ether Delta is the only site on the face of the earth right now that is where you can go and exchange Ethereum and Veritaseum. So if I'm to find out what's really happening, I got to go to the site where you can buy and sell it, trade it, and that's here. And I'm looking at the orders right now. These are the orders. 7.6, 7.5, 7. So out of 7 orders, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's only 7 orders at the 7-to-1 ratio, or approximately, whatever. Next, you got quite a number of 6 orders, 6 to 1. And then, of course, after that, there's a ton of 5s. And that seemed to be the most common one I was looking at recently was 5 to 1, 5 to 1, 5 to 1. But again, this is the site that tells you specifically, here's what an order just went for, etc. Over here on the right side, you can see these 9 to 1, 7, 9, 9, 10, 7, 6, there's no 6, 7, 9. I'm not sure how long ago these were. Let me see if I can click on one if it tells me anything. No. But from top to bottom, these are the most recent, which makes sense because there's a 6 and a 7. We've got the 7s here. Right after that, 6. But hell, there was some. I mean, but again, 10 to 1 is only 1 though. 1 Veritaseum. This is 9.5. So 3.33 Ethereum to 31.6 Veritaseum. That again, 9 to 5.5 ratio. That's almost 10 to 1. And we were seeing. Remember, it was only a matter of days ago when it was 33 to 1. Then it was 10 to 1. And then I came out there. Oh my God! There's some selling for 4 to 1. So. Who knows where this is going to go. Bottom line is the exchange appears to be back up and working, and for whatever reason, this site, CoinMarketCap, that's supposedly tracking these things, just is not tracking this right now. So nothing to be really too concerned about in my opinion. If you want to go there and sell Veritaseum, you're nervous, sell. Doesn't matter. I told you what I'm going to do. I'm waiting for it to go onto some major exchange first. That's what I really plan on doing. So on that note, I'm out.